The first triumvirate. Triumvirate, a political group of three people who share equal power. 60 BC. Three men ruled Rome's republic. 1. Crassus, 2. Pompey, and 3. Julius Caesar. Crassus was one of Rome's wealthiest men. Pompey and Julius Caesar were rich and known for their military accomplishments. Each man commanded a military post. Pompey led in Spain, Crassus in Syria, and Julius Caesar in Gaul, which is modern-day France and Belgium. Caesar fought the Celts and invaded Britain. He won the admiration and support of poorer classes. The Roman Senate grew worried. They feared Caesar was too popular, taking sides. In 50 BC, Crassus died in battle. The first triumvirate no longer existed. Pompey is Julius Caesar's main rival. 49 BC. The Senate gives support to Pompey. They ordered Caesar to give up his army and return to Rome. Caesar refused. Julius Caesar knew if he returned, he would either be imprisoned or killed by rivals. A vision. Caesar gathered his loyal troops and crossed the Rubicon River. This river separated Caesar's military and commanded area from Rome. Caesar saw a vision for him to cross the Rubicon. Now he marched into Rome. He realized he was starting a civil war. Caesar and his soldiers quickly captured all of Italy. They drove Pompey's forces out of the country. Caesar crushed Pompey's army in Greece in 48 BC. Julius Caesar takes power.